everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a little trick that can make a big difference in your bathroom experience. We all know how uncomfortable it can be to leave unpleasant smells in the toilet, especially when you share a household with others. But fear not, I have a simple solution that involves lighting a match. Stick around until the end to see how this little trick works, wonders in masking those unwanted odors. All right, let's face it. It's completely natural, but leaving an unpleasant smell in the bathroom can make you feel self-conscious. We've all been there, but what if I told you there's an easy way to handle this situation discreetly? When you light a match, it creates a strong smell of sulfur, which is quite overpowering. This sulfur smell acts as a cover-up for the other unpleasant odor you left behind in the bathroom. You've probably experienced the smell of a lit match before. So when you use this trick, the match's scent blends with the other odor, making it less noticeable to others in the household. It's like magic. Now, if you're not a fan of matches, there's an alternative. You can light a scented candle in the bathroom. Just like the match, the candle's aroma will mask any unpleasant odors, leaving your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. Before taking a shower, you can visit the toilet and then light the candle using a match. This way, nobody will have a clue about what you did in there. Sneaky, right? Of course, it's essential to ventilate the bathroom properly after use, as airing it out is the best method to eliminate odors. However, we all have those moments when we need a quick solution, and that's when this match trick comes in handy. It helps the scents disappear faster, especially if you're in a rush or have guests waiting. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to deal with unpleasant bathroom odors. Give this match trick a try, and I promise you'll notice the difference. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.